Could you apologize? Could you please repeat the question for the recording?
Yes. So, I wonder for a single woman, what is the line between taking care of her appearance and overindulge in physicality, assuming everything is within halachic boundary of modesty?
So I mean, if it's I would say if it takes very long time, right? For her, if she takes in hours and hours, that would be the problem. She could have spent learning Torah or do some other mitzvah. But if it takes maybe 2 hours a week, or hour, an hour, 3 days a week, I don't think it is a problem. Right? So women must, Jewish women must look good, right, for their husbands, and for a single woman, so she's going to get the husband, BeEzrat HaShem, very soon. Understand? Because some people let themselves go, and it's not right. Married woman, not married woman. So okay, of course, the husband must be holy. But I talk to men, and none of them are holy, right? They say, yeah, I'm holy, but then when we offer them something, they say, no, it's they have something better looking. You understand? So it's holiness only, many times only in words. So she must be holy and look good. I mean, not I don't say to do plastic surgery, but whatever Hashem gave her, just keeping good, make it look good. That's it, healthy. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So, with regard to men on this same issue, so for example, if the guy has something that might be, I don't know, seen as something disgusting, I don't know, some big scab or like a pimple or something like that, is he allowed to go and remove it?
Yes, yeah, there's no problem. So, yeah. I mean, to do this every day, in front of the mirror, this and that. And somebody asked me, the younger guy, he was taking he's caring about combing his hair 15 minutes. Is it okay? I said, no, it's not okay. I mean, first I wanted to say, okay, I mean, why? How much hair you have? I don't know, just get yourself shorter haircut, and that's it. You don't need to take care 15 minutes to take care of the hair. I mean, for women it's normal, but for men, I don't know where exactly he's doing that. There, you understand? So, but looks presentable for a man, absolutely, it's must. So I have to look at the mirror to see that looks presentable, and that's it. So, but I don't know, how much time you need? 15 seconds? 15 seconds, 20 seconds, that's it.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.